Hello there, my name is Miles Pitcher. I'm the owner of Superior Lending. I am an all-in-one expert. If this is the first video that you've watched on the all-in-one loan, I would recommend that you go watch our introduction video. It's going to, in detail, explain what it is, how it works, etc. This is just a video to update you on some significant changes that have just happened in our all-in-one loans. We're right in the middle of 2023 right now. I will also put in the comments a link to my playlist on the all-in-one loan. This is a spot where you can go, and I will put the most recent and updated information in there if you ever need to check back on that. So let's go through a couple of changes that have happened. Not too many, but they are significant. First of all, as you may know, may not know, the all-in-one does follow Fannie Mae guidelines as the base. And then sometimes there's what we call overlays or additional guidelines put on top by our lenders and banks that we work with. So one of the changes that's now open is if you have a property that is part like rental space, commercial business, retail, and then the other part is residential where you live, you can now do that. We call those mixed use properties. I won't read all the guidelines here, but for those who are involved in mixed use properties, you can see here what it takes to be able to do an all-in-one loan on that mixed use property. Here's an updated, let me make this full screen. This is a matrix that will show you basically what the limits are on purchases, cash out refinances, primary residence, second home investment properties, and take you through what's available. These tend to adjust a little bit based on what the market is doing right now, but here's our most recent matrix. You can pause and look at this closer. All right, here is the big news of the day. The option in the loan structures has changed significantly. We used to have three options: a monthly adjustable, a 3-year fixed, and then it would go adjustable, then 5-year fixed, and then adjustable. The 3-year fixed and 5-year fixed have been removed. We no longer have those options available. So just be aware of that as you're looking at the all-in-one loans. We still are working with Merchants Bank of Indiana and North Point Bank, two fabulous banks, but right now the monthly adjustable is the only option. So that's where we're at. If you have any other questions on the all-in-one loan, please watch the other videos or reach out to my team. We are here and happy to help you with that. But I wanted to get you that quick update on what's changed in the all-in-one loan.